Welcome back to the weekly tips for the city of Norfolk, Virginia. Let's get right to the information. All right, let's get right to the data for the city of Norfolk, Virginia, comparing February 2026 to February of 2025 and everything in between. Median sales price $330,000. Now, that's a 5.3% increase over last February. But let's look at the big scheme here. That's it's $18,000. Now I get it. $18,000 nothing to skimp about, but in the big scheme of things, that's not a giant leap, right? A couple of big transactions could certainly skew that number being a median sales price, right? Equal number of houses sold for a price above 330 and an equal number sold for the price below 330, right? So 330,000. It's still good news for Norfolk. Prices are still going up. If you're a seller, all right, it's still good news. Closed sales 187. That number down though. From 11.4%, from 211 down to 187. So that's interesting. Prices went up, but closed sales went down. Median days on market, it was 20 and now it's 24. So it's taking a little bit longer to put a home under contract, but we still see a reflection in the prices went up. And sellers are still getting pretty much full price, 99.3%. Is what they're getting, which is where it was a year ago, 99.3. That's pretty amazing that it's exactly to the percentage point. But anyway, and that just means that sellers are either listening to their realtor and they're putting it on at the market analysis price, or that sellers are reducing their price and then getting full price at the reduced price. So that number could be skewed a little bit, right? Median sold dollar per square foot to 11. New listings on the market, 264. That number down from the 312 new listings that we had last February. Very interesting. And then we've got our active inventory right here, 520. That number down 4.2% for 543. And we understand there's a lot going on in our world right now. So people might be holding off, putting their home on the market or out looking for homes to see how everything plays out. Especially in our area, the Hampton roads, where we have Norfolk, Virginia Beach, and Chesapeake, where we have a lot of military, right? So it's a very military-heavy area. Month supply of inventory, 2.8 months supply of inventory. What this means is how long would it take to liquidate the current 520 pieces of property on the market in the city of Norfolk? 2.8 months, right? A year ago, it was 2.5, 2.6. Right? When this gets to 3.5, these numbers you're going to see some differences in these numbers, right? It's going to take longer to liquidate the inventory, getting more into a normal market. 3.5 months of inventory, 4 months of inventory, 4.5, 5 months of inventory, right? That's a more normalized market of what we're used to historically in Norfolk, Virginia, and in the Hampton Roads area. Anyway, it's great information if you're a buyer or a seller. You need this data. You should definitely check us out, redefyflatfee.com. We're a flat fee company, full service realtor firm here in the Norfolk area. We also cover Virginia Beach and Chesapeake. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to see the weekly updates that we do, tips and tricks for sellers and buyers. And we'll be back next month looking at the month of March, comparing it to last March. Make it a great day. Stay safe out there.
Are you tired of paying high commissions when selling your home? With redefyflatfee.com, you have the option of paying a flat fee instead. Located in the Hampton Roads area of Virginia, we offer 100% full-service realtor firm services at a fraction of the cost. Save your equity, save your money with redefyflatfee.com. Visit our website today to see how much you can save by using a flat fee real estate company. Take control of your home sale and start saving now.